सर
So not that book,
सर
it's the new-
ना सांतिनेज आपटेश्वर गणपतीचें मंदिर आहा पळय थंयसून ते धोबीचे हे आहा पळय थंयसर ती बिल्डींग आहा तेजो वयर स्लॅब पडलेलो
खंयची बिल्डींग
थंय भितूर एक
रिडेव्हलपमेंट जावपाचें आसलें न्हू
Yeah,
वयर-
the
वयर-
CCTV
वयर-
and even this thing.
हिंगा सायडीकूच व्हडले
See,
बिल्डींग
suppose if it is building is unsafe and all, I think CCTV will take action on
सीसीपीन
that.
तांकां 2020 ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा
So then you
तरी पूण अजूनही रावता ते
you please ask this question to the CCP.
सीसीपी विचारलेले
Yeah.
ते हॅव ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म तें ताका सांगलेलें वयल्यान तरी पूण हिंगा कोण रावता
See, now I read on the paper something Margaon and all something, and that they have already started demolishing basically some unsafe buildings. I think I will also inquire with the CCP. What is the action there?
So now hardly 15 days are left. Do you think that smart city work will complete? Because now it feels
See now see the time frame and all has been already been given, and the notice has been given to basically the contractors. So it is a collector who will look into it as far as the timing is concerned.
सर पावस चालू झालेलो आहा आणि सांतिनेज काम उरलेलें आसा
See then what happened? We are following up. The collector must have given a time limit basically for when that work should be completed and when it should be covered. I think that's the reason. What I think by 30th of this month, I think they should complete that. At least whatever they have dug up. So
अनेक आमी अशें बोलले की तुम्ही जे मिरामार बीच सायडीक जे ब्युटिफिकेशन केल्लें स्मार्ट सिटी तेन्ना तुमी इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें काही चेंजीस जाय आसले ते करून तुमी
पळय कितें जालेलें as far as the smart cities had done the work earlier, next to that toilet which is there in front of Sharda Mandir school, it was not maintained and all because you saw the plants and all were dying. So then, we had instructed basically the CCP now to they have not handed over to the CCP. See, it is they got to hand it over to the CCP for CCP basically to carry on the work, maintenance part of it. So now we have already told the CCP basically, and the maintenance is going on because now you can see at least the plants and all basically they are not dying.
So another
सो
issue
तो हँड ओवर जाल्लो काय जावपा अजून
Handover जावंक ना पूण in the meantime I have just told them because handover जावंक ना कित्याक थोडे मातसो नो चोरले की आनी कितें चोरलें सो दे मस्ट ते सारकें तेणें फिक्स करून आमचे स्मार्ट सिटीन कोण एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान ते फिक्स करून दिवंक जाय
सेक्युरिटी मागलेली तुमी
security see what has happened we have put security basically we have asked through CSR as a company so they have put security we have asked them for 3 months so in the meantime CCP will be working out to get a security through the CCP.